Hello guys, welcome back to our channel TechDeep. So a writing pad is a top-notch essential for students right now. It saves a lot of paper if you use an electronic writing pad like this. So this is from Proficy, and this here it's mentioned LCD writing tablet, and this is having a 16-inch size, as you guys can see. And here it's mentioned like easy writing, durable, save eyes, one key clear, portable and non-radiative. And the price of this product is 2200 rupees in Amazon, and I'll give the link in the description below so that you guys can check if you want to buy. It's available in two colors. I'll tell about it later. Let's open it. So guys, it comes in this packet. Let's check it out. Okay, let me keep it this to the side. So guys, inside the box we get the actual 16-inch writing pad. So let me take it out. Okay, and we also get a USB cable to charge the writing pad. As you guys can see, it's a normal USB cable. Let me keep it aside. And guys, this is the only writing pad in which you guys can charge it without inserting any battery. Here you guys can see a micro USB port for charging. In rest of the writing pads we have to insert battery. Guys, this is an added advantage that you don't have to buy any batteries. There's an inbuilt micro USB port, so it saves a lot of money of buying batteries. So let's come to the actual product itself. So it's mentioned please tear off the sticker before operation. Okay, we'll have to tear it out. And here it's mentioned two buttons are there, clear and one lock button. So there's the back side of the writing pad is like this. Here's a maze, as you guys can see. Let me take out the pen. We have to keep the pen over here. Okay, it's easy to take out the pen and also to place the pen, so that's a good mechanism. So here's the pen, and this is the clear button. Okay, so let me write something. And guys, this is a color display. The price of the color display is 2200 rupees guys, and it is available in two colors, that is one is blue color, this is blue one, and also a pink color is available. So the price of this is 2200 rupees, no discounts in sales I think. So this is the actual price, 2200. And there is also a single color product, that is a single white color. It costs 2000 rupees. So you can think and buy which color you want. Do you want a multi-color like this or a single color for 2000 rupees? Only 200 rupees difference is there. Guys, now let me write something in this writing pad. So the writing experience was good. The pen is smooth in the screen, and here you guys can see there's a combination of over 10 colors. Pink is there, yellow, blue, orange, red, every color is there. So in actual experience you guys can recognize this color, but in screen while recording I don't know whether it will be visible to you. So the pen is actually smooth. Now let me show you the different colors in the screen. And the 16 inch is actually an added advantage guys. Normally many of the companies are providing only 10 inches, which is absolutely small to write anything. 16 inch is a basic size I guess, and the size of this writing pad is approximate to an A4 size paper. So writing in an A4 size paper and this is little bit similar. And now you guys can see the writing experience in this board. It's good. I like the quality. and there's no lag or something, and it also has no radiation. And here is the clear button. So guys, we can lock, and now we can write something, but the things which we wrote before lock won't go if we clear it like this. So that's a good thing. So in order to clear it, we will have to remove the lock over here, then clear it like this. Okay, so now it's empty. So that is regarding the quick review of the Proficy 16-inch multi-color writing pad. Please subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel. Okay, subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel. Okay, and also like this video, and also share it with your friends. Okay, so that is it guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to follow the 3 steps that I showed here. So hope you guys like this video. We can see in our next video. Bye guys.